Hey guys, now currently I'm in a phase 2 10k. Remember when I mentioned, guys, I trade on small Propfirm account just to tweak the strategies. So also guys, check this out, a withdrawal. This is for the funded 10k small account. I passed phase 1 and phase 2 on YouTube, so you can check those videos out. But this was a today's trade, almost 5%, nice $489. I mean, I'm gonna start trading on my bigger account, but I like trading on small accounts just to tweak the strategy. It's always helpful, and I would definitely recommend, rather than if you're taking 100k challenges, 200k challenges and you're failing those, don't buy another 100k, guys. You want to keep the emotions, keep practicing. You want to, for example, if I lose this trade, it's okay. We won't be 1% down, but I'll have 9 lifelines. I'll just come another time tomorrow, the day after. Market is open 5 days a week, so I'll come back tomorrow and trade. Now, if I look at the reasons for this trade, the entry, obviously if I go on the 4-hour time frame, you've got this huge, bearish candle. Market was falling, and I didn't want to fight that first. If you look at what kind of trend we're in, obviously here we're in an uptrend. But then here, I wouldn't call this a downtrend, or you could call it maybe ranging. Market's going sideways. But down here, guys, this was a downtrend here. But then price broke this previous high, and then price came and started tanking more and more here. So obviously, they say once the market's falling, you don't have to catch the bottom of it, right? It can have negative, results. Don't ever try to catch the bottom. If something's tanking, just keep letting tank. But the reason for the entry is, guys, if you break this down to a 30-minute time frame, rejection area, rejection, resistance area here. Now then this became support. Price came back down, and then it gave me this candle entry here, this one here, and then I got another weak bearish entry here. And then before that, guys, if you look, if I zoom out, I got a morning star, not the best looking one, but it's still, and then obviously the price tanked from here. So again, got a decent size stop loss. So again, if price goes against me, I am in phase 2, right? I only need 5%. Price goes against me, guys, it is what it is, So yeah, almost 5% withdrawal on the other funded account I've got. I don't want to show my other withdrawals yet, but I will do. And then because I want to make these mostly videos about, I will show withdrawals, but I want to make these videos mostly about strategies, entry methods, placing live trades. I mean, this is a live trade right now, but I want to start streaming live as well, where you guys can ask me questions. Also, I'm trading live in front of everyone, chart breakdowns, reason for entries. Like example here, guys. Now this is obviously, if you look at this, we got this obviously rejections here, and then market is obviously testing this area. We are the 186.400 key area. If I break this down, right, we've got a nice morning star here, and then huge strong bearish candle. But then we got this not engulfing, I was nearly said engulfing, but it's not engulfing. Another bullish candle here. So obviously price is going to come down to retrace. That's perfectly fine. I think the lowest it'll come down to, guys, is 350 area. If it goes lower, it will try to come to 300 area. But like I mentioned earlier, guys, if we lose the trade, it's okay. It's all part of the game. You can't win all of them, and it's just about keeping your emotions in check. I want to keep this a short video. We're in a live trade right now. I could add another position. I am pretty confident in this, but again, anything can happen, guys, and that is exactly why we don't add positions. Because at the end of the day, you don't know what might happen. Anything can happen. Imagine if I was super confident on an A+ setup and I risk 5%. Does that mean it'll 100% not go against me? No, it could go against me. I could lose the whole trade. So just see how this goes. And I just want to keep this video nice, short and simple. I don't want to make it too long. So even if we break it down to smaller time frames, okay, first we had a wick rejection here, right? Price came back down. Then now we've got bullish candles, another bullish candle here, decent, no wick at the top. Now we've got this engulfing candle here. And we've got a double bottom, guys, double bottom. So that's a good sign. But again, see what happens. I'm still only gonna hold this for the next 3-4 minutes extra. I like to keep these videos nice, short and simple. So we'll see. Prices coming near to the entry point. and see how it goes. Obviously the volume has slowed down a bit. It is a Monday, guys. It is also in the UK. It's 4:20 right now, so volume, you know, is a bit slow right now, or less if you want to call it. But I'm only looking for this trade because of the size of my stop loss. I'm only looking for a 1 to 3. That's it, just 3% profit, because once it gives me my 3%, I know I'll come back, you know, next day or the day after just for 2%, and that's phase 2 passed. And if I lose this trade, it's all good, you know, it happens. Like I said, you don't trade the strategy, guys, you trade your psychology. You know, okay, we're running in a little bit of profit, and it might just come back down. That's perfectly fine. It is what it is. So always remember that, guys. You don't trade the strategy, you trade your psychology. You look for the best opportunities possible, and you try to make it work. Now if I just pull up this, okay, so this is my funded account, right? The small one that I passed on YouTube. Average win 200, average loss 81. But the strange thing is, this is my biggest loss, 160 there, but I don't see any losses here, so I don't understand. I believe my first, actually no, my win percentage, obviously you can see is 71%, which is a nice win percentage. But I just remembered my first trade was a loss, now that I remember. Then after that, you know, just been withdrawing after that and withdrawing, you know, so confident. I'll just keep this video going a little bit longer, and I'll definitely update you guys on this trade. So I hope you enjoyed this breakdown, you know, this video, and I'm going to be updating videos every single day, guys, trying to help as many people as I possibly can. So if you haven't already, guys, subscribe, and yeah, take care.